So in today's video, we are going to be learning how to transfer photos and videos from your iPhone device onto the laptop and from the laptop onto the iPhone device. Now, there are so many ways you can be able to do this. If you follow me through carefully, I'm going to be showing you a perfect method that is quite easier and faster way to do this. Now, several people will recommend you use 3U-Choose, which is available on my laptop currently for this. I also have the alternative version of 3U-Choose, which is also known as iPhotos. Now, currently, the name has been changed, and as you can see, the name is also written in Chinese, just like the language used in the application. Now, the reason I prefer this particular application is to have the mobile version installed onto your iPhone is quite easier than having the 3U-Choose mobile version installed onto your iPhone, because when you connect and you want to transfer files or anything, you need to open up the mobile version. So having the iPhotos mobile version installed onto your iPhone once you have done the connection, it's quite easier. I have got it available on my iPhone currently. The name has been changed to SimNote. So how you can be able to get this particular iPhotos installed onto your laptop is going on to your Google Chrome or browser and then searching for install iPhotos. As easy as that, you are going to be seeing the first option open up. Go ahead and click onto this one. That is a perfect way to have it installed. So you're quickly going to scroll down and then hit onto download. So right here, if you click onto download, you are going to have the software installed onto your laptop. So moving on, we are going to have the iPhotos opened, and I'm going to be showing you what you need to do. And once you have opened up the iPhotos, this is basically how the interface looks like. As you can clearly see, we are going to be connecting both devices together, and we are going to be using a cable known as data cable. Now we have original iPhone cable which is used for this. You can be able to find that in the stores, or the original cable that come with your iPhone when you newly purchase it can be able to do this. Not all iPhone cables or charging cables can be able to do this perfect connection. So go ahead and have the cable connected to your laptop and then to the iPhone device. That is quickly going to have the interface of the iPhotos changed. So there you have it. That is my iPhotos, or the interface of my iPhotos. I'm going to my photo library currently, and I'm going to be showing you a particular photo that I'm going to be sending to my laptop. Now I'm going to be sending this particular photo to my laptop, and I'm going to be sending or receiving this photo also onto the iPhone device. Now, the reason I'm doing this with a picture is because I do not want to waste your time when I'm trying to transfer a file in a form of video. And with this method of transferring photos, you can know how the process would be like. So when you go onto the iPhotos, I'm going to be transferring first from the mobile phone to the laptop. And when you come onto the iPhotos, everything right here is written in Chinese. There are several ways you can be able to transfer this language to English. On the platform itself, there's no way you can be able to turn this into English. However, you can install Google Translate on this phone and then capture any of the words that you want to understand. That will be translated to English immediately for you, so you can be able to know your way around. But if you watch the video carefully, I will show you how you can be able to go about this particular application. So quickly, if you want to open up your iPhone album on the platform, click onto album. This is basically where album is located. And like I've stated, I want to have this photo transferred to my laptop. And I do not have this photo available currently on my laptop. I'm going to be having that brought onto the desktop very quickly. So when I go onto the album, this is where the photo is located. I'm going to click onto the photo once, and then I have the option to export. This option basically means export. So when you click on it, you are going to be asked the location where you want to export your file or photo. Go ahead and decide your location. I'm going to be putting that on desktop so that we can easily access that. So click onto OK once the destination has been selected. So immediately click onto OK again. And if you follow through how I do it, it will be easy for you. Perfect. Now the picture has been sent onto our desktop. There it is, brought onto us. If I go ahead and then close this, they have put it in an album for us. Here is it. So this is the photo that I've been able to transfer from my iPhone to the laptop using iPhotos. Now I'm going to be having this image brought onto my iPhone. So clearly, as you can see, there's no image like that. I'm going to quickly do that by going onto the iPhone tools again. And then what you need to do is go back. This is basically a symbol of going back. Go back, and then you are going to click onto import. We have this option or symbol showing being a symbol of import, and then this being a symbol of export. If you click onto this symbol, it is going to ask you, first of all, do you need to import a file or a folder? So basically, the first option, which is written in Chinese, like any other text right here, is file, and then the second one being a folder. We want to import a file. But before we move on, there is something that you need to know. Sometimes you might not have the mobile version of the iPhone tools installed onto your iPhone. So what you need to do is that you have to make sure that is installed. And like I said, the name is SIMNote. So for you to have something imported from your laptop to the iPhone device, you need to first of all have this particular application installed. And how that can be done is when you connect your cables, make sure you connect your iPhone device and the laptop device to a Wi-Fi connection or to internet connection. With that, you can be able to have the mobile version of the iPhone tools installed onto your phone. Go ahead and have it opened. Once you have connected the iPhone to your laptop and the SIM note has been installed successfully, you cannot be able to find this application on the App Store. It is installed onto your phone automatically once you have done the connection. So what we need to do from the laptop is, once this particular application opens up, which is going to happen very soon. So clearly, as you can see, it has been opened. What we are going to be doing is we are going to click onto import. Import basically means you are importing something onto your phone. When you click on it, select the first option being file, and then you are going on to desktop or any location where you want to have the file imported from. I'm going to be clicking onto desktop. When I scroll all the way down, I have this image which I want to have imported. Now this image is not located anywhere in my album or photo library. I can show you, this is my photo library. I do not have that image. So what I need to do is I'll go back to the SIM note. Make sure you have this software opened up, and then once you have clicked onto this image or whatever you want to have transferred, click on to open or OK, and then wait for a couple of seconds for that to be quickly done. There you can see it rolling, and on my phone it is successful. What we need to do is click on to OK right here, and then when I go back onto my library or photo library, you can see this image which I have sent recently being shown right here. So basically, that is how it works for you to have photos and videos transfer from your iPhone to your laptop very quickly, very easily. The name of the software used for this is known as iPhotos. That can be gotten from any of the browsers on your laptop. Thank you so much, and please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more of this exciting content in the coming days. I'll see you again, and please have a great day.